Hey everybody, I am super excited for today. I'm Taylor with KC, and today is a super special day because today is the day that we get to take our brand new Jeep Gladiator out off-road for the very first time. So today we're actually going to be wheeling near Jerome, Arizona, and we're going on a trail called Smiley Rock Trail. Now this trail is rated as a difficult trail, so we've got pretty much everything we need to go on this stock Rubicon Gladiator here, but we're going to do one more thing today before we head off and hit the trail. We're actually going to remove the wings on the steel bumper that came on our Rubicon. So we're going to get to that right now, and then we're going to hit the trail. So we just made it to Jerome, Arizona, which was once known as the wickedest town in America. Now this town began with mining camps back in the 1870s. As you can see here in the background, where there's a shaft that goes down 1,900 feet, which is taller than the Great Pyramids, taller than the Empire State Building, taller than a lot of things. So Jerome became infamous for all of the gunfights, the alcohol, and the gambling, and all kinds of other debauchery that went on here. So we just took a quick pit stop to enjoy a little bit of the sights here in Jerome before we hit the trails.
Yeah, that's pretty sharp here.
Come on, don't climb, come on.
About midway through the trail, we caught up with some Jeepers and had a chance to hang out and have some great conversation with these fellow off-roaders who are visiting from Texas.
Come on, that's cool. Take it around, you got it. Driver. Perfect. Good job, girl.
Oh yeah. I don't know, if you ask me, it kind of matches our KC smiley face quite well. Alright guys, so we have hit a couple of boulder fields out here and we're having an awesome time. This Gladiator is absolutely killing it so far. Alright everybody, so we just finished up here on Smiley Rock Trail near Jerome, Arizona. Now we were using our Funtreks guidebook to get us through this trail for all the navigation. As you go through Martin's Canyon, this was actually a difficult rated trail, rated for a vehicle that has modified high clearance. As you can tell, our stock Gladiator is not modified, it's stock suspension on it, but it did just fine. You know, it did rub in a couple areas, so of course as we move through, we are going to have to upgrade the suspension on this. We're going to upgrade the tires at some point, but right now we are super happy with how the stock Fox suspension performed on the Rubicon here, as well as the Falken Wildpeak all-terrain tires. Now of course we're going to be upgrading these bad boys at some point, so as you guys are watching this video, please comment below and let us know what you'd like to see on this build. We're looking at the Cooper ST Maxes, we're looking at the BFG mud terrains, but let us know any options that you think. Just go ahead and give us your feedback on it. Other than that, we had a great time today out at Smiley Rock Trail. I'd highly recommend any of you guys go check it out as well. While you're in the area, come up to Williams, Arizona and visit us, and heck, we might even join you guys on the trail. Thanks everybody, and remember to adventure further.